My video is about removing Mous5.biz, Mous5.biz pop-ups and fake human verification alerts. These scary alerts may attack the majority of browsers, including Google, Chrome, Firefox, and other browsers too. Mous5.biz is similar to other pop-ups like Mous4.biz, Mous6.biz, and so on. I'm not going to make any separate videos about that. Basically, Mous5.biz does the similar thing as all other websites like that. It tries to encourage the visitors into subscribing to the numerous ads that will be displayed as permanent web push notifications. Mous5.biz indicates that you need to click on Allow button, supposedly to confirm that you are not a robot. But clicking on Allow is a mistake. You may be redirected to some other sites, and you will also start receiving the great number of advertisements that will be displayed in the right part of the computer screen. So if you have clicked on Allow, that was a mistake you need to fix urgently. Access the menu, go to Settings, Security and Privacy, Site Settings, go to Permissions, choose Notifications. Now pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. If you find this Mous5.biz, be sure to remove it from the list and remove other similar sites causing such troubles. Finally, I recommend you to research your device with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and then start researching and investigating your computer to detect and eliminate all other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.